My video is about removing the online scam that is claiming to be a Windows support alert. This particular alert comes from the random website. I'm not going to mention its name, but there is something unique about these fake alerts, and this is the telephone number that is quoted here. The number is +1 855 947 0560. The pop-up indicates that it is also some sort of Windows firewall protection alert, and it says that access to this PC has been blocked for security reasons. So the pop-up tries to make people scared about the condition of their computers in order to convince them to call this fake Windows support number. It is not recommended that you call this number because you will hear some online frauds on the other part of the line, and they will tell you that you have done something bad and that you need to pay money to get your computer fixed and repaired. They might try to connect to your computer remotely and force you into downloading some paid fake software. Or they might tell you to pay money into their favor in order to fix your computer. They might try to scare you even more with many other faulty messages. So, speaking about these pop-ups, you should not trust them, and this telephone number, +1 855 947 0560, is a fake Windows support number. Do not call it. Do not trust these pop-ups and their scary content. We recommend you to research the control panel of your computer. Try to look for any suspicious programs. If you find them here on the list, you should get rid of them. So just make sure you uninstall them completely. If you see any suspicious applications you don't remember installing directly, get rid of them. To make sure that the device is free of other hidden threats, I do recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, install the program and begin carefully researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.